Read the story and answer the questions. Little Red Truck. But Mom, Daniel whined, I always have to share my toys with Ella. Ella was 2 years old and Daniel was 10. The majority of the time, Daniel and Ella got along, but lately she had taken an interest in his Matchbox car collection. She really loved his little shiny red pickup truck. Every morning, Ella searched for the red truck and clasped it tightly until she squealed and grinned. Daniel sighed and dragged his feet back to his room. Ella was sitting on the carpet, dumping out the box of cars. "Red truck!" she yelled. She stared at the cars and started bawling. Daniel looked at the pile of cars. He saw a blue Corvette, a Jeep, a police car, and even a rusty tractor. The red truck wasn't there. "Mom! Ella lost my red pickup truck." "I told you she just ruined my stuff. This is why I didn't want to share," Daniel yelled as he ran down the hall to Mom, leaving Ella to cry in his bedroom. "I'm sorry, Daniel," Mom said. "Why don't you go to the store with Dad? I'll help Ella clean up the toys and settle down." Daniel hopped into his dad's pickup truck. It was a boring old red truck, but Dad loved it. The two of them drove to the grocery store talking about baseball games and Daniel's improved grade on his last math test. "Can I go check out the toys?" asked Daniel as they parked the truck. "Sure, but you only have 5 minutes," replied Dad. Daniel walked down to the toy aisle. He found the Matchbox cars immediately. As he looked through the cars on the shelf, Daniel realized he had all of these models. Then Daniel saw one last car at the very back of the shelf. It was a little shiny red pickup truck, just like the one he had at home somewhere. "I wonder why Ella loves my Matchbox red truck so much," Daniel thought. "It's just a boring old truck." But he took the truck with him to the front of the store to meet his dad. "I'm going to get this pickup truck for Ella," Daniel said. Dad smiled as he replied, "I think that's a great idea." Answer the questions. Underline text evidence that supports your answer.